Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can stop music from automatically playing when a Bluetooth device connects. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So essentially, there's a setting in most music apps where you can go and turn this off. So I personally use a few different music apps. So first of all, I actually go and use the Samsung Music app. So let me go and open it up. And then to get to the settings in this app, you go to the top right, click on the three dots and go and click on settings. And then go and scroll down until you see the setting. Allow external devices to start playback. So what you need to do is make sure this is toggled off. Otherwise, Bluetooth devices can go and start your music playing, which can get annoying. And just to show you another example, let's go and use the YouTube Music app. I'll click on search at the top. I'll go and click on YT Music. What you need to do is go to the settings in here as well, just like another music app. I'll click on my profile icon in the top right and then go and click on settings. In this app, you'll need to go into playback. And then as you can see, you've got a similar setting. Allow external devices to start playback, for example, Bluetooth wired headsets. So what you can do is switch that off, and then your Bluetooth device won't be able to go and start it in YouTube Music. So that's basically how you can stop music from automatically playing when a Bluetooth device connects. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.